अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। जी, हाउ many of you came with preparation? कौन कौन बच्चे हैं जो आज तैयारी के साथ आए हैं? आइए हैंड रेस कीजिए, जो जो तैयारी के साथ आए हैं, टॉपिक जो दिया गया था उस पर बोलने के लिए। चलिए, नाउ मैं आई इनवाइट फर्स्ट अंजुम, कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamu alaikum all. Today I would like to say about a few words about importance of English language. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher for giving me this opportunity to tell about this topic. Uh, Everyone knows that English is a global language. Uh, English is a global language. It helps people to communicate. People from these countries to another countries uh, to talk and communicate in between. Uh, for example, if a person from India goes to America, English will help him to talk, to ask questions, and to understand. Second thing, English improve our personality and confidence. And other thing is English is important for education and job. Uh, for example, many books and interviews and exams are in English language. So uh, I can conclude like that English is a key to success, and
ओके।
therefore, therefore we should learn English, and we should use it in our daily life. Thank you.
ग्रेट, माशाल्लाह, स्पोक वेल, अच्छी बच्ची, बहुत अच्छा बोली हैं। अहमद।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir. How are you doing?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बाबू।
Today I'm gonna to discuss about the importance of English. First of all, I give my salam to all of the students, our classmates. So English is the one of the most important languages in the world in the today era, and it has used as well in different countries. English, English is the one of the most communicable language from the different cultures of people as well. For example, if someone is from other countries like in Africa or America or different kind of continents, not about country continents, all over the world at this era is a most wide spoken language is an English. So English is the one of the most important language at this era, and English give us benefits to it's as well give us benefits in our business in our it is the main language. I'm gonna say it is the main language for the education, for the science, for the technology, as well for the business, so I'm gonna tell you something about more. English is the at the moment we should learn English, so it will help us to communicate better with each other from different countries as well, not only about India, from different countries or different continents like Africa, like America. I'm gonna tell something that at this era we should include the syllabus. Sir, your book is very fantastic. I would like to recommend your books in all Islamic institute madrasas. It's very beneficial for the Islamic students, sir. I am very satisfied, sir. You know, I was told you that I was showed your big book to my uh, Quranic, you know, alim class mudarris. He told me it's very fantastic. He said, Alhamdulillah, we will inshallah, I will inshallah read this book inshallah, and I will think about that. We will inshallah include in our syllabus. We will try inshallah.
चल।
Uh, sir, I gonna something more. Can I? Yeah,
कंटिन्यू।
yeah. Okay, thank you. So, sir, I would like to say everyone, if someone joined the class of Zakaria, sir, so it's your aim to get a benefits from sir, because sir was told to us after 15 years, everyone, like even like watchman and any shopkeeper will speak English in the future. So it's very beneficial for us if we learn English before it's normalized in our society. Thank you, sir.
Okay, great, Ahmad. It spoke, mashallah, amazingly. Anisa.
Thank-
Okay.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
हाँ भाई बच्चों, देखो
अस्सलाम
कोई
वालेकुम
भी
एवरीवन.
जस्ट अ मोमेंट गुड़िया अनीसा, हाँ, जिन लोगों के
जी.
कैमरास ऑफ हैं उनसे मेरा एक गुजारिश ये है, बहुत ईमानदारी के साथ, आपने अगर तैयारी की हो बेटियों, ये जिनके कैमरा और बंद है, जो बच्चों का भी, ठीक है, बच्चों का कैमरा तो बंद है, उसको तो बुलाऊंगा ही नहीं, इस लड़के का बंद होगा, आपका कैमरा बंद है, ईमानदारी से अगर आप प्रिपरेशन करके लाए हो तो बोलिएगा, वरना कोई जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है, मतलब देखने की इजाजत नहीं है मेरी तरफ से, आप जाहिर है बगैर इजाजत की चीज इस्तेमाल करना कैसा है आपको खुद मालूम है। अनीसा गुड़िया, कम ऑन द स्टेज प्लीज।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम sir and अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone. Today sir give me the opportunity to talk about the topic of importance of English language. English is one of the most widely spoken language in the world. He helps people from different countries talk to each other. Learning English gives more jobs and study opportunities. It is the official or second language in the many countries. English helps people communicate globally. It makes learning and sharing knowledge easier. Speaking English boosts confidence. In today's modern world, most of the information available is in English. Knowing English is very important in today's world. Jazakallah sir.
ओके, माशाल्लाह, ग्रेट बाबू, अच्छा बोली माशाल्लाह। समीर।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
English is an important language. It is international language. English helps us into education. Many books are written in English. English is useful for getting a good job. People all over the world speak English. English helps English English helps us use the computer and internet. English is important for a bright future.
ओके शाबाश, अच्छा है। शाबान आइए, अच्छा बोले बाबू माशाल्लाह।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Today I will speak 10 lines about importance of English language. First of all, English language is an international language. it is needed too much in present time. In essentially English language, there is not option for our good economy. The English is one of the most widely spoken language around in the world. English language is very important for competitive exams and research. Knowing English language makes traveling abroad easier because it is spoken everywhere. Today, in many school and also college has required to speak in only English language. The English language is very crucial for global communication, career opportunities, education, and cultural access. English language is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. Jazakallah khair, sir.
माशाल्लाह, ग्रेट, अमेजिंगली, अच्छा बोले बाबू। हीना।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am talking about importance of English. English is very important language because it is spoken in many countries, in many parts of the world. No one denies the importance of the English language in the present time as a global language. It is clear that the English language has become more dominant around the world. It is a language of business, travel, and communications. If you know English, you can speak to peoples from different countries. Most school, college, universities teach many subjects in English only. The majority of books, magazines, journals, and newspapers are printed in English. More job opportunities are available for a person who can speak English very well. In the field of research, English plays a very crucial role. It is assist to communicate and collaborate with scientists from all over the world. Thank you all for listening me.
माशाल्लाह, अच्छा बेटी। नेक्स्ट, Amina, come on the stage.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. Today my topic is importance of English language. English is very important language in the world. It is spoken in many countries. It is international language. People use English to read, write, and speak. It helps us to learn new things from book, internet, and other people. English is also important in school. If we know English, we can understand. If we know English, we can understand computers, science, and other many topics better. I helps us to get good marks in the future. It helps us to get a good job. Many companies need people who can speak and write English very well. It also helps us to get. It also helps to get us get to speak other countries. That's all.
Okay, great
Jazakallah.
बेटा, spoke माशाल्लाह well. बहुत बढ़िया बोली मेरी बेटी आप। नेक्स्ट, हामिस, come on the stage brother.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
जी सर, today's topic is the uh, importance of the English language. So sir, the English language is one of the most important language in the world. It's spoken in many countries and understood by millions of people. English helps people communicate with others from different cultures. It's main language of education, science, and technology. Most books, research papers, and online content are written in English. It's also it's also important for business, international trade. It helps students get better job opportunities in the future. Learning English increases confidence and knowledge. That's why uh, that's why English plays English plays vital role in the modern life. That's it, sir.
Okay, great, माशाल्लाह, अच्छा है, बढ़िया बोले। यासिर, come on the stage. Amin.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, thank you Zakaria sir for inviting me to explain the importance of English. In modern world, English work as a tool to link people with another country. There is in 53 countries, English is the official language of 53 countries. If you want to learn in top universities in world, you mandatory to learn in English. English is the official language of all universities, top universities, just like in India. If you want to work in multinational company, their English are mandatory in companies just like Meta, Google's, Amazon, etc. If you want to learn, if you want to read famous writer books just like Shakespeare, William Shakespeare, George R. R. Martin, these books are written in English. These books are written in English. English is the most important language in the world. Around 1.5 billion people are speak English. 1.4 billions English.
ओके बाबू यासिर, शाबाश, अच्छा है माशाल्लाह, बढ़िया बोले हैं बाबू, अच्छी तैयारी की आपने। अजहरुद्दीन, कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Why is it important to learn the English language? Why it is necessary to learn English language? Because in the present era, English has attained the status of an international. There is probably in no country the world where people who understand and speak English do not exist. Since the British ruled the Indian subcontinent for long period of time, therefore this language had very deep influence on the people of this region of Asia. Unless a learner of any language has sufficient knowledge of that language, a learner of that language cannot learn in properly full concentration and interested.
माशाल्लाह, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत गजब तैयारी की आपने ब्रदर अजहर, और बहुत अच्छा बोलने हैं बाबू। सॉरी। ओके, नाउ सदा प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
इस्लाम बेटा।
Today's topic important English language. English is a global language spoken all over the world. English is used in business and workplaces around the world. Knowing English makes us feel happy and confident. English makes traveling to other countries much easier. It helps us understand new technology and computers. It is the main language used in offices and business. In the future, knowing English is very important to get a good job. It helps us communicate with people from different countries. With English, you can study all over the world. Learning English is fun and improves our personality. Jazakallah.
Okay, great बेटी, माशाल्लाह, spoke well. Now may I invite Suhail Khan, come on the stage.
जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Today I will talk in English learning important. English is important for us. We use English in school and college. English help us get a better job. We contact to people for other country, and English help us use mobile and internet. Learning English is good for our future. English makes our better status. Thank you.
ओके, माशाल्लाह, अच्छा बाबू, बढ़िया बोले हैं। आले हसन, कम ऑन द स्टेज।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाह सर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
ठीक है, हो गया जी सर। Importance of English language. English is considered a global language. Is spoken and understood worldwide. It is essential for higher education and academic research. English proficiency and English proficiency opens doors to better career opportunities and professional growth. It is dominant language of the internet and digital technology. English helps in international communication and building global connections.
Okay. Okay, mashallah. अच्छा बाबू, बढ़िया. Next. Taha, come on the stage.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, please.
English an international language. It is spoken and understood all over the world. English helps you. English helps us communicate with people from different countries. It is important for education and higher studies. Many and websites are written in English is useful for getting good jobs. It is the main language. It is the main language of science and technology. Therefore, English is an important language in our life. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalam, beta. Great, mashallah. Now may I invite Shakrul. Come on the stage.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
English is an international standard language of communication. English is a crucial. It is contacts to people worldwide. English used in a news education system. With English language, English language is our improve our personalities. Without English language, our English language is access to internet services without English language.
Okay, चलिए अच्छा है माशाल्लाह. Now invite मुमताज. हाँ, इन बच्चों के जिनके कैमरास बंद हैं मुझे रिकॉर्ड करके भेजिएगा, अपनी वहीं सुनूंगा बाबू आपका. मुमताज को बुलाइए.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam, please.
Today's topic is importance of English language. English helps us connect with people from different countries. It opens up more job opportunities. English is essential for higher education. It boosts our confidence in global communication. It helps us access a lot of information and knowledge. Learning English helps us grow personally and professionally. It helps us understand global cultures better. English is useful for travel and work. English connects us different cultures. It is easy to learn English with practice. English is very important for everyone. English is very important for our daily life. English is an international language. We can watch movies and read books in English.
Okay, शाबाश, अच्छा है माशाल्लाह. जी आप अल्फिया उज़मा एंड अदीबा एंड इरफान एंड मरियम अभी अपनी आप वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करके मुझे भेजिए वहाँ स्पीड मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे. वहीं सुना जाएगा। और उन लोगों का जो पीछे वाले थे उनका देखा था, कंपटीशन हुआ है उनका। आप लोगों का भी शुरू कराऊंगा, आपको कुछ तरीका बताऊंगा। आपको आती धड़ाधड़ शुरू कर रहे हो आप लोग, कुछ दनादन एकदम, ठीक है, डायरेक्ट। थोड़ा सी उससे पहले कुछ गुफ्तगू, थोड़ा मोड़े जो सेंटेंस बोलने हैं वो आपको बताऊंगा आपकी क्लास में। जो 9 PM वाले बच्चे हैं वो फौरन 1 मिनट में ज्वाइन कर लें क्लास। सलाम वालेकुम।